What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Bleach today, Yamamoto. So, the Captain Commander. Very, very cool character. So, Bleach is back, that's great. Well, it's coming back soon, I think. So, let's go, let's give this guy a go. So kind of like, not Bankai mode or anything, just sort of normal. One of them sort of to start us off. Might do a Bankai one at some point. So, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast, right? We're going to start with his eyes. His head's quite small. Might zoom in, right? Just to get the eye detail and all that kind of stuff for you. So, and go. Center point of my page here, up over to the right. And we start with his eyelid line. So we go diagonal first, and then we will go across the page. Right, so they're kind of like, they're fairly flat eyes, okay? The corner. Comes in and around up to here. Make them kind of spiky on the ends, okay? Then his iris. Like so, underneath the top eyelid, and his pupil under there. So looks really unimpressed, because he is unimpressed, because everyone's worse compared to him. Yeah. He's a cool character, I must say. So we'll go over and do the other eye before we do eyebrows or anything, right? So you're about eye width. Bleach, I think we're in proportion. So the width of his eye will fit in between both eyes, roughly. Okay, might be tight, but nearly a full eye will fit in between, right? And you do the same thing. Go across. Like that. And then his bottom eyelid down. Real sort of skinny. And then his iris in underneath. Go. In under there. And then his pupil. Another there somewhere as well. So, his eyebrows, right? So you got these hairy sort of eyebrow lines. Come around. It goes down this way. Right, like so. Do the same thing on this side. Right. Then his eyelid lines in under there. So you got like just an eyelid line under like so. So his nose covers his mustache a little bit, right? So just down from the eyes, we'll start with these nostrils on the side, just here. Right, and then we kind of go around, across, like that. Kind of goes into the side of his nose. And then you can see like some of his nose, the bridge of his nose is drawn in. So like that. And then we have like some wrinkles on top, some frown lines above that. And then some bags under his eyes, because he's an older gentleman. those bags have wrinkles. So coming from his nose, then we have his long goatee sort of mustache thing. Crazy long, right? This goes back up. Over the other side, bring it back up to the middle, just underneath his nose, right? And then he has a long beard, right? So spiking out here and then comes down like so. And this has these crisscross lines on them, like purple ribbon or something, just kind of holding it together. And then texture lines coming down for the hair. And maybe a bottom lip line just in here. Right, so his beard kind of comes up side of his face. Say like go here. Can be a hairy line if you want. And then his, where the beard joins his hair, joins his cheek, should I say, there. And then he has like a skinny cheekbone line that way. And some lines on the side coming down from his nose. Like so. Okay, so we can see his ears sort of sticking out here. And then like his head and his temples. So he's got like these temple lines that go up the side of his head. Like that. And then his bald head. Up like so. Okay, roughly like your eyes are halfway. Right, his, say like his top eyelid line. And his chin, say to where his chin would be, it's probably here. Here to here will bring you roughly to the top of his head, okay? So in a bald character, the eyes are normally halfway down. Depends on if there's a head tilt or anything, so. Right, so here to here is roughly the same as here to like maybe where his chin would be. And then we have lots of wrinkles coming across his forehead. And he has a scar on his head, right? But it's not drawn in. I'll draw it in just so we know where to put it. So it's like an X just on his head here. Right, so that's like scar, so it's like purple skin sort of line. And then he has a big white cloak on, and his shoulders kind of are underneath, hidden underneath that. So, let's say, so this one curves down that way. His hand is sticking out here, and then this one goes down just underneath his mustache there. And then he's a bit of a collar there. There, and then his shoulders go off here. See some fold lines just here. And then his shoulder goes off this way, on this side. And then, so his arm kind of sticks out this way. So we've got like his arm going that way, and then his body going there. Maybe we should see some of his white collar up here, maybe a little. Right, but that's it. That is how to draw Captain Commander Yamamoto from Bleach. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.